Hey everybody, what is up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to level up fast in Candy Crush Saga. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Candy Crush application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. And after opening up Candy Crush, guys, go ahead and log into your account. So after logging into your account, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of the game, where you can see all of your levels, you can see the map, the events, shop, and so on. So guys, now let's go ahead and say we want to level up fast and see how to do that. Well guys, basically there is no time skip to level up fast. What you can do is just to go ahead and play smartly. So what you want to do guys is to go ahead and start playing as much levels as you can, and when you get stuck right but you want to level up even more, what you can do guys is go ahead and buy power-ups. So you can go ahead and click on your profile icon right here at the top of the screen, click on your profile picture, and it's going to go ahead and take you to this page where you can see all the power-ups and bonuses that you have in your inventory that you can use for quickly clearing levels. So you want to go ahead and use as much of those as you have, and this will enable you to clear more and more levels faster and faster. So clearing levels guys is going to go ahead and enable you to level up even faster, and soon you will be a very high level. Well yeah guys, basically that is it what you can do. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.